guys, today I'll be going over GCSE chemistry, specifically ionic bonding. So today we'll cover how electrons are transferred during ionic bonding and how to draw a dot and cross diagram to show ionic bonding. So we know that electrons exist on energy levels, and remember that the first energy level can hold 2 electrons and the second and the third shell can hold 8 electrons each, and all the elements in group 0 have a full outer electron shell or energy level, and we call these elements noble gases. So ionic bonding, so elements react in order to achieve a full outer energy level, and by doing this they will achieve an electronic structure of a noble gas, meaning that it has a full outer shell. When metals and non-metals react, this is ionic bonding. Now let's talk about the ionic bonding between metals, the metal lithium and the non-metal fluorine. Here's a lithium and it has 3 positive protons and 3 negative electrons. Because there's the same number of protons and electrons, the charges cancel, so lithium has no overall charge. So here's a fluorine and it has 9 positive protons and 9 negative electrons. Again, because there's the same number of electrons and protons, therefore the charges cancel, so the atom of fluorine has no overall charge. And now we'll use crosses to show the electrons on lithium and the dots to show electrons on fluorine. And this is a dot and cross diagram. Remember that all the electrons are the same whether they are dots or crosses, and we can straight away tell that neither lithium or fluorine has a full outer electron shell. So now we can react lithium and fluorine, and the lithium loses an outer electron shell and fluorine gains the atom, so the electron actually. So now the lithium and fluorine have a full outer energy level. So looking again at lithium atom, it still contains 3 positive protons, but it only has 2 negative electrons now. This means that it has an overall charge of 1, and I will show you this here. So we call this a lithium ion as it has an overall charge. Looking at the fluorine atom, it still has 9 positive protons, and now we have 10 negative electrons. This means that we have a 1 overall negative charge, and I will show you that here. Now we call this a fluoride atom, and they both have a full outer electron shell. In other words, the electronic structure of a noble gas. Thank you everyone for listening to my video on ionic bonding. I hope you learned something. Bye.